Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Thanks for joining us again. Today's word is Form S-4. S-4 is filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission through the Edgar system. What is an S-4? If you're a company that's publicly traded and you want to buy another public company using your stock or preferred or bonds, you have to file an S-4 with the Securities and Exchange Commission explaining the transaction. S-4s are very complicated. But let's say AT&T wanted to buy MCI, both of them publicly traded, you'd have to file a registration statement explaining to everybody, the shareholders of AT&T, the shareholders of MCI, what you're giving them in return for that merger. S-4, Form S-4, for mergers where you want to register a deal in an M&A transaction for a publicly traded company in the United States of America. S-4. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.